So I won't go too long on this, but here's my thought. I love what we do in Young Life, and Wildlife is just Young Life for middle schoolers. We get to be involved in the process of seeing kids' lives change. And I absolutely love what I do, getting to empower and shepherd staff people and other teams of leaders. Our vision for Mount Pleasant here is to have a team of leaders who will probably mostly be CMU students, but hopefully there will be a couple of other adults in the community as well who will be a leader. So that those leaders essentially do what we do, which is as follows. I mean this sincerely. The ethic that I want us to have is that we give our lives away to be in the lives of kids, middle school kids, high school kids, so that they can get to know Jesus, so that they can have fun, that they can have adventure, that they can see that just the stodginess of somebody else's religion or a religion they never heard of is not what real pursuit of God is all about. Real pursuit of God is a relationship, and it's fun, and it's adventure, and it's the person of Jesus, and it's what motivates us. And because it's relationship, and I really mean that word, is critical. How we do ministry with kids is we form relationships with kids. We go where they